نور على مر الزمان تألقا وأضاء للدنيا طريقا مشرقا وهدى من الرحمن يهدي.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. This is a beginner class for Arabic alphabet. As you can see, the Arabic alphabet starts from right to left, consists of 29 letters, and for your inconvenience there are transliteration provided at the bottom of each letter. To start off, I'll be silent and I'll be just quickly grouping the Arabic alphabets into families based on the fact that many of the letters actually look the same, besides the number of dots. This is just to make it easier for the learner and for yourself, inshallah. So bear with me. While you wait, you could probably have a read as well. Try reading from the transliteration while I group the letters into families. Like I said, I make them into families because it makes it easier. If you view the letters that look the same as like cousins, it makes it easier. Okay, all done. Excuse my messy drawings around and messy squares. I went over the letter Dal, which is actually spelled D-A-L, but we'll get back to that inshallah. So I'll read it out. The first letter is Alif. It looks like a 1. As you can tell, it's very simple. If you see 1, the number 1, you know that it's the start of, that the numerical numbers, right? as well as in the Arabic alphabet. The alif which also looks like the 1, also starts with A. These are just little hints just to make it easier for you to remember that alif starts with an A, which is also the starting of the English alphabet. So remember that. Alif is the first letter. Alif, that's how it's pronounced. The second, third, and fourth letters, I put them under this pink square because I put them into a family. Reason being is because they have the same bodies except just different number of dots. The dots really make them, it would really differentiate them. So bat, so the trick is bat. Remember, bat has a dot at the bottom. So if you see one dot at the bottom, B for bottom, remember bat. Ta, 2 dots at the top. You'll don't forget ta. So 2 dots at the top. 2 dots at the top. Remember ta. Ta, 3. That 3 starts with th. As you can see, the transliteration of that also is tha. That. So ba, ta, and ta. Don't forget that. The second letter, the fifth letter I should say, is Jim, Ha, and Kha. I put them in the yellow square. As you can tell, the same thing. They have the same bodies, but it's the placement of the dot that changes the pronunciation of the letters. So Jim, as you can see, it has a dot right in the middle. Well, you can say Jim has a dot, has a belly button, you can say. Then Ha has no dot, as you can see. Ha, there's no dot at all. And Kha has a dot at the top. So Jim, Ha, and Kha. Right. The 8th letter of the alphabet is Dal, and in the green box. Dal. As you can see, Dal comes in at a right angle, and this is going to come in handy because so you don't get confused between the Dal and the Ra, which comes more at a curve per se. Dal and its brother's name is Dal. Difference being is the dot at the top. If Dal has a dot at the top, Dal actually becomes Dal, right? The lighter green box we're moving on to. First letter Ra, Ra, that's how it's pronounced, Ra, and the its brother or sister, however you want to put it, family member is Za. Very different the way it's said. Ra and Za. Ra, yes, it comes in at a curve just like Za. The bodies are the same, it's the placement of the dot. So Ra has no dot and Za has a dot at the top. But yeah, if you're unsure of how to say it, just remember, look at the bottom of the letter, there's transliteration right there. Then moving on to the orangish brownish type box. Seen. We have seen and sheen. Seen will become sheen if it has 3 dots at the top, as you can see there. There's 3 dots at the top. It will become sheen. If there is no dots at the top, it's seen, as if like the way you say seen, like I seen you, I have seen you. It's the same way. Seen. Red box. Swad. Swad. And the other one is bod. Now, if you're having problems with the exit points, the makhraj points of these letters, there are many YouTube clips you can find if you search up exit points for the Arabic alphabet.